Man, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I know. It's been a minute, man. But y'all know how this shit go, man. I've been chilling, I've been grinding, and I just been collecting parts to get the truck together, man. But in today's video, man, I just installed the second alternator on the truck, just installed the dual alternator bracket, and I'm gonna pretty much walk y'all through the process. Very simple process for those that haven't done it before. And just pretty much give y'all a quick update, because I know it's been months, bro. But I just want to let y'all know that I'm still here. I ain't going nowhere. We still working, we still grinding, and we still trying to get the goddamn Silverado live. Ain't shit changed, bro. But with all that said and done, let's get straight into the content, man. Y'all already know what to do. Okay, so first off, I'm gonna let y'all know I already installed it. It's not gonna be an install video, but I am gonna walk y'all through the process. So if you got, I'm guessing the process will be the same for a Tahoe or GMC or Silverado or Sierra or whatever the case may be. It should be the same if you got the 5.3 setup like I do. This bracket, dual alternator bracket that y'all are looking at here, I got off eBay, and it came with the bracket, brand new bolts, washer, nuts, and a way bigger belt. The process of putting it on was super easy, man. Of course, you know, you get your tensioner, you take your old belt off, and you take your intake off to give you more room, and it's pretty much bolt straight in, man. Like, it's 1, 2, and there's a third bolt up under this pulley right here. You take those off the motor, which I got in there, the factory bolts, and you pretty much just put the bracket on there and put the new bolts and washers in, tighten it down, and then once you get it snug, you pretty much just throw your alternator on there. It comes with these 2 bolts, brand new bolts, and you put your washers on and all that good stuff, and it comes with nuts in the back, as y'all can see, and you tighten it down, and you pretty much do the same belt routing as the factory belt setup. And only difference is when you, instead of coming off of this alternator and going straight down to this pulley, you go around your factory alternator location and you go up on the new pulley and go around the other alternator, and then you go down up under that. You see what I'm saying? So the process of installing it really wasn't nothing to record or nothing like that, guys. I promise you, it's pretty straightforward, very straightforward. I don't even think it came with instructions. That's just how simple it is. Very straightforward install. But y'all see I do have the dual 0 gauge or 2-aught input on the back of the alternator, because this alternator is going to be running strictly the bass. So I'm gonna be running 2 runs of 2-aught, as y'all can see down there. I got 75 feet of that, and I got another 75 feet of that at home. So I honestly got like 150 feet of 2-aught welding cable for this truck. My electrical is gonna be stout as a motherfucker. This bitch gonna be a stallion when it comes to electrical, no cap. And that's basically it. That's all I did right now, man. I did try to put the plug in it, but the plug did not fit. So I'm going to contact JS and see if I'm going to need another plug for this, or if they, you know, mess around and sent the wrong one. People make mistakes. We only human. I get it. You know what I'm saying? So the plug they sent with this did not work, but I did order something off of Down for Sound, and that's probably the plug that I actually need, but I just didn't bring it with me because I'm down in the country right now. And I just had free time, so me, my son, and OG threw this shit on real quick. But like I say, guys, everything is still in progress. We still in motion. But like I said, told y'all earlier, guys, I just don't want to just throw content up there just to say I posted a video. Every video that I post, I want to be like this. It's progress. Y'all can see the progress instead of just boring y'all with the same type of videos. You see what I'm saying? So that's the plan. That's the goal. And this is what's going on, guys. So I am a couple steps closer to getting everything installed, man. I've been sitting back patiently waiting, and you know, basically just gathering parts and doing what need to be done to get the build going. And now that I had the alternator, now that I actually had the alternator installed, I can go head on with the build. Now I am still missing my other 6 XS power batteries, because I currently right now have a 40 amp hour bank that will probably do just fine on that Taramps base 8K. It'll probably do just fine on that, especially with that billet 320 alternator charging at like 16 some volts. So that probably do just fine on that, but I want an 80 amp hour bank, because eventually I am gonna put more power on the truck and all that good shit. But I'm out here in the country now. As y'all can see, we just had that snowstorm. My truck is filthy, but I finally had a little free time to install the dual alternator. So as y'all can see, everything looks pretty good. I done started it up. Of course, it ran a little rough because I don't have the intake on or whatever, but everything is everything. I got this bracket off of eBay, and it did come with a belt with it for the dual alternators, and the belt actually fits perfect. But the only thing I don't like about it is when the truck get to running, the belt do slide back toward the bracket a little bit, and it gets pretty damn close to the bracket. So I got to see what's going on with that. I may have to get another bracket, dual alternator bracket or something, because I don't want this belt. I don't want this belt rubbing up against the bracket and eating up the belt eventually. You see what I'm saying? That JS billet in that thing, y'all. We got 2 JS alternators in there. Big shouts out to JS Alternator, man. If y'all looking for that power, y'all go holler at JS Alternator. Let them know BassAddict sent y'all, man, if you want that power. Cause we got the regular alternator and we got that big boy billet. Yes, sir. So things gonna get real nasty real soon, man. Y'all stay tuned. It just me hitting y'all with a quick update, because it has been a while. And y'all see, I already got my fuel block with the BassAddict logo on there, man. Big shouts out to the sticker shack for that. But yeah, real soon, guys. Stay tuned. Now, for those that don't know, I do have a test panel back here for like the beauty panel, but I am gonna redo it because I don't like how short this is. So I'm gonna bring this up a little bit more. But we still working, guys. I still got the 4 high ankle 15s back there, and I still got the Taramps base 8K that I'm gonna put on it. I am currently looking for some captain's chairs to take the bench out. So it'll be a chair here and a chair there, and the blow through will sit in the middle. So I'm looking for captain chairs. So I'm gonna take the bench out. And that's basically it. And we still waiting on the port, man. Appreciate it, bro. But that's just a quick update, guys. I ain't gonna bore y'all with these videos, man. Like I said, the high ankles still hanging in there. They still doing what they need to do. We just got to do an alternator in. So it's still a hell of a lot of work they got to go into this truck, because I'm about to get up under it, route all the wires up under it, and come up through the cab, through the frame or the chassis or whatever you want to call it somewhere, and come up to the battery, and from the battery to the amp, and from the amp back to the sub. So it's still a hell of a lot of work I got to do. As far as mounting the box, I haven't mounted the box yet because I don't have the subs that's gonna be in this truck. Like, these subs are still just temporary, but they're holding on for dear life. I ain't gonna lie. High Ankle made some great cheap subwoofers. I'm gonna be real with y'all. I've been putting these motherfuckers through their paces, and they been holding on for dear life. They ain't now one on dead yet, y'all. I've been putting these motherfuckers through it. I ain't gonna cap. So if you're looking for a great budget subwoofer that you can beat the shit out of, but you got to know when to bag off of, when you start to smell them, that means turn me down. So if you're looking for a cheap, great subwoofer, man, look, High Yanker, however you pronounce it, bro. And they got another version of these out now. I was gonna get those, but I'm still running Slaps Audio. I'm gonna get Slaps Audio, but yeah, we still running High Ankle back there for now. But I am gonna get up on the truck. I'm gonna mount the box down to the truck bed from up under it and all that good shit. So it's still a lot of plans, y'all. We still in motion, and y'all know what it is, man. But I just figured I'd hit y'all with a quick update, let y'all know what's up, man. Pretty much nothing changed. Me and Cub been messing with my DSP. Pretty much got my doors where they need to be, but I got to separate everything, cause I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I got everything on one goddamn channel, man. My 8s, my 6.5, and the damn horns all on one channel. So I got to separate all that shit. I'm gonna have my mid-range on one channel and my highs and all that shit on the other channel. I ain't gonna lie, my shit ain't all the way together, but it still sound good. I'm gonna be real. So that's just a quick update of what's been going on, man. We got this shit pretty much together. Dual alternators on. I gotta get another plug, and we got to figure this shit out.